Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel if you've been here, and welcome or welcome back. As you see by the title, I am going to be making a bracelet. I found this bracelet kit off of Amazon, and yeah, it's really small beads. I did not think they were gonna be this small, but I mean, hey, beads are beads, right? And it had string, elastic string, and it had some letters, needles, and a separation thingy, container, organizer. So I think I want to make, I don't know, it's so many colors. Like, I think I'm gonna make gray first. I didn't know it was gonna be this many beads. Okay, so this is the gray. It's cute. I don't want to use the pretty ones first. I mean, all of them are pretty, but so okay, I'm gonna use the orange first, and I'm gonna add some gray in it. So it's gonna be these two colors. I'm gonna go in and organize the beads. I'm gonna organize them. So we're gonna speed it up real quick. Show you guys. Okay, I'll be back guys when I'm done. So I'm done organizing all of the beads. Be real careful with this because I do not want to drop this. This is how I organize it. Oh, it is so pretty. Okay, so I think you're supposed to use this. These are like needles. You can't really see, it's like really small. Okay, so I got my scissors. These are like small safety scissors. So then I gotta tie the string through here. It's so small. Okay, so I got the string through there. I think I did it right. I didn't double tie it because I didn't want to do that because it was already hard enough. So I don't know. I think I just leave this like that, and then I get the beads that I want to put on there and I put it on the needle. So we're gonna try this. Some of these beads don't have holes. Okay, I think you're supposed to like slide it down. Yay, I got 4 beads on here. So I'm just gonna try it like this. I feel like this would be fit. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I'm excited. Like, guys, I just love, oh, it almost fell off. I love making things. I love creating things. It's like very calming and fun. Okay, so I finally got it tied up. As you can see, some of the beads did fall off of there. Let me show you. Okay, so this is the bracelet, guys. It's pretty. I gotta cut these strings off, so we're gonna do that. So let's just snip and get it short as possible so it doesn't show. So this is my bracelet. It's kind of small, but it stretches. It's really stretchy. So a lot of the beads fell off. It was a struggle trying to tie this on there. Let's show you how it looks on. So this is how it is. It's cute. Who is it? It's me. Okay, let me show you guys the mess. So yeah, as I was trying to tie it, some of the beads did fall off, which kind of sucks, but I'm still thankful that all of them did fall off. And I gotta separate these beads on here. And so this is the bracelet, guys. Like, it's cute. It's giving very much pretty. So yeah, and the link will be in the description of where I got these from. They were from Amazon, but I'm gonna still link it in the description. So yeah, so I'm about to clean up this mess, guys, and let me show you guys the bracelet one more time. This is it. It is so pretty, but I will be making more bracelets. So So pretty. I'm an artist. I like it, Picasso. Okay, bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm on my road to 10 subscribers. I'm at 5, so I'm halfway there. But I'm on the road to 10. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces.